Yo, what's up, guys? We are playing today FC Mobile versus Real Madrid versus Morocco. And there is the my team, and I changed the formation of this team. And tell me, this formation is good or not? This formation is 4-4-1-1 formation. I think it is more good than the back formation, but they are using 4-3 attack. Then we see what this formation has been our team. We kick off and Bellingham Martinez to the Bellingham on the run, Bellingham to the run, and Bellingham give to Palmer on the run, and Palmer cannot, bro, dribble. Why you don't dribble, bro? What? There's no problem. Palmer on the run, bro. Palmer give to Castro on the head, but no, he cannot win this. And they give to Chaka to the run. Sorry for the pronunciation. And Chileni on the ball. Chileni get the ball. Chileni to Pirlo to Martinez on the run. Martinez to the bro. Gravenberch get the ball. And in the game, we were the only who definitely uh, play good, and we are strong in this game. Our defense is also strong, and and we get ball, but we throw out of the ball. Kirk is giving the throw to the rush on the run, and Dumfries get the ball. The Pirlo, no bro, we lost the ball. Chaka on the run, and we get this ball to stop, and ball is the head, and they get an free kick. I think I have an idea, so we can do it or not. And they stamp. Oh no! We I think that's gonna end, bro. Savage to the Dumfries on the run. Dumfries could run fast, bro. He's an left back, but he's left winger pass, bro. He's a left back, but he runs faster than a left mid, right back. Sorry, bro. Sorry for this. And they are going fast, but Castro is in a defender, so he cannot win the ball. And they get the ball, but Chileni, the vice captain, get the ball, and Ballman get the ball now, and he could pass. No, he get the ball. He passed to Martinez. Martinez on the run. Martinez can score. Yes, Martinez can score. He's our club legend, bro. He scores the goal at 42 minutes, 45 seconds, 1-0. Yes, Martinez. And we are on the run, and this is how Martinez scores this goal. And it is an epic goal, bro. Epic goal. They get the kickoff. They kick to the Luis Figo, Fermin, and Van Basten, and some network is with Chaka. Sorry for the pronunciation is again because I'm Indian, so I don't not know to how to pronounce these names. And I speak in English because I want to go to international audience, and like please or like and subscribe to this video. I am only 25 subscribers. Please give me subscribers because I want subscribers. And Martinez on the run, Martinez on the fire, bro. Martinez a legend, club legend, and he could win this ball. He forgot the ball, and Bellingham's shot, but he misses also, bro. What are they doing? And third and 50 seconds, and Chaka get the ball, deep ball, Marco the ball, and then Fermin to the Van Persian. I know Chaka to the rush to the I don't know Palmer to go Palmer defenses, and we stopped this goal. Omelenko is savage, and last video I told I will replace him, but now he's shining as a star, bro. Yes, you look at the bottom top right side. There is a line and football representing to our type of the football, and Martinez on the run, Martinez on the fire, Martinez shot, but he misses his dad, bro. Why are you doing it? We need to win this. 69 minutes, 39 seconds, you misses. Bro, why 69 minutes? That's a legendary number. And we also misses this shot catch. So what are you doing, yo? You can, and we get also free kick, and we also misses this. But bro, what are they doing, bro? They give to the R, and there is an incoming substitute of Castro. or Hwang Chan. He's a new club. He's in there for new member. He's a new member of this club. I get him for free, bro. So I get him in benches. He come in. I will see if he can get a first goal or not. And goalkeeper push the ball and to our goalkeeper, and Milinkovic-Savic throw the ball towards Palmer. Palmer on the run. Palmer get the ball, or Palmer no, not get the ball because ball go outside. And Martinez on here, and Martinez, and they go, bro. Rush have the ball. Rush to the Van Perez. Van Perez to the Chaka to Sam get the ball, but Chileni fouls it. But in the 89th minute, bro, they are getting an free kick from there, and they showed this, but we will get this. Oh, sorry, I speak corner to the free. Say corner to the free kick, but there is a side we get two corners, and now we fouled second time. Rogers, what are you doing, bro? This is the second free kick, and we do ball creep, and we Molinkovic have a save, and we shot, but we win this game, yo, bro. And thanks for watching this. Please like and subscribe this video. It will be help me a lot, bro. Thanks you for watching this. So bye bye.